Hey there, beginner investors. Ready to dip your toes into the stock market? Here's a quick guide to get you started. Step 1. Learn the basics. Know what stocks are and how the market works. Step 2. Set clear goals. Are you investing for the long term or looking for short-term gains? Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And finally, stay informed. Follow market news and research your potential investments. Happy investing! Join our Discord community for a hands-on experience and investment insights. Check the description for the link. Stay green with Queen, chart with upwards trend, money bag, #happy investing.